Hi folks, that was a short demonstration to show you how I make my pipettes for the artificial insemination of queen bees. As you can see there I have two nice needles to use and trim down and flame polish for later on. What I basically did was took a pipette, there's a different varying sizes in here, but that's the size I want, I think. Place it in a razor to act as a weight. Now grab it with a pair of pliers, add the flame to the middle, to the central area. As the flame softens the glass, it starts to drop. And there we have it, a stretched needle. And if you can think it's on the thick side, you can actually put it back into the flame and be ever so careful this time, because it's a lot thinner, so it doesn't drop off. You can carefully manipulate it like that, and you've got a very, very fine needle now. As you can see, it's suspended. That one's probably a little bit too thin, but you'll get at least one good one or two good ones out of that. Just nip it with your finger and nail and gently bend, and you've got another two nice ones actually. So that's how I do it, without any expensive equipment, and just in a few minutes you can gain enough there to keep you going for a while. And all those there are usable, all good. So I've done those in 5 minutes. So I'll give you a closer look at one if I can get it into the camera. Nice and fine. If I put it back onto a dark background, you'll be able to see it better there. It's difficult to see under camera actually. Go for another one. That's a bit finer. So with a bit of practice, you can make viable pipettes. The ones I've got here from Kimberley Chase, capillary tubes, melting point, and they do vary in thickness, 1.5 to 1.8 this batch. Ideal size for me is about 1.4, 1.5. So if you look around, you'll find the sizes that's available. They all vary. I'll show you another very fine point. That one there has probably got a point of about 0.15 to 0.2 of a millimetre. It's not that hard to do, you just need to take your time, and practice makes perfect. So thanks for looking in again, and I will add more videos in this line, in this field, and then I'll eventually, when next summer season comes, when I get the queen bees arriving again, I'll go through a demonstration of how the equipment I made here and the needles. So thanks again for watching. Bye for now.